Well, hey, in the shop with me today, I got my good friend Mike Phillips from Auto Geek. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, Dennis.
Always fun to have you here because we do cool things.
On cool cars.
On cool cars. So today we're going to sort of talk about evolution, if you will, evolution of car care.
Exactly.
Right?
So first there were car waxes, then there's synthetic paint sealants, and now we have ceramic paint coatings. And what these are nanoparticle size of silicon dioxide.
Really, really tiny.
Really tiny.
Really tiny.
And silicon dioxide, kind of a simple version would be like beach sand. So it's glass particles that we're putting on the car to protect it.
So how does it work, and how does it differ from conventional coatings?
Good question. It's a little bit different. There's an extra step in order to use a ceramic paint coating, and that is any substance that could get in the way of the ceramic coating from bonding to the paint has to be removed. So that extra step, we call it chemically stripping. And in the Blackfire kit, you have the Pro Primer Polish, which is a way to polish off any substances like polishing oils or leftover wax from a previous wax set.
And that's this and that applicator?
The Pro Primer Polish you could apply by hand or machine, or this is the paint prep. And for this here, you just have to spray it on and wipe it off.
Ooh, yeah, I like that one.
So everything comes in the kit, makes it real easy. So let me show you how this thing works.
Okay.
So the first thing you'd want to do is take, and I don't know what's been done to this car. It looks good, but my guess is it needs to be chemically stripped. So you just spray this on. And I always like to tell people to use a wet application. So plenty of product. And if there were any polishing oils on there now, they would be right here on this side of my towel. So then I want to just spray it a second time and go to a clean side of my towel and just wipe that really good. Then the next thing to do would be apply the ceramic paint coating. Now notice this comes in a glass bottle.
And a really small glass bottle.
Yes, it's very concentrated. And this is one of the hardest things for guys to get used to, is it takes just a super micro thin layer of product. So the kit comes, this is a microfiber suede patch, little cloth. This is a foam block. And this one side, see, it's got a little soft foam here, a hard foam here. This is to follow the contour of your curved body panels.
The other one's to grip.
Yep, so you just wrap that around there like this. Then I'm going to put the coating right across the face of it like that.
And that's all?
That's it.
Okay.
And then just bring it down, and normally you just apply in a crosshatch pattern. And the only reason you do that is just to ensure uniform coverage.
Yeah. You also work in a really small area.
Yeah, you don't want to tackle too big of an area at a time. And then you wait less than a minute, and then take another clean, dry microfiber towel. And if you look down here, can you kind of see where there's a rainbow effect? You know how oil sits on a mud puddle or something? Okay, that's called a high spot. Come down and just softly wipe that off.
You don't want those.
No, you don't want those. It will solidify and you won't be able to get it off. And that's kind of the benefit, is when you put this on, unlike a wax or a synthetic paint sealant, which wears off just through normal wear and tear and washing, this is semi-permanent. It really doesn't come off.
So how long is that going to last?
This coating here will last up to 2 years as long as you wash softly. We talk about like a quality car wax or a synthetic sealant will create a lot of gloss.
Yeah, glossy.
This creates what we call the glassy look.
Wow.
So it's like a tick above gloss. And it lasts longer, therefore it protects longer because it's on the surface, staying there. And then it also creates a hydrophobic surface. Water wants to get away, so the car will now wash faster and dry faster, and also has a self-cleaning effect. So anytime it rains, any dirt that's accumulated on your car, it's going to shed off with the water.
Oh, man.
And then we have the SiO2 spray sealant. So what you can do with this is you can use this as a standalone product, wash your car dry, apply it, get the benefits of the ceramic nanoparticles, or use it to maintain the Pro Ceramic coating.
That is some serious protection, man. Well, hey, if you want to learn anything more about this great Blackfire ceramic paint coating kit, log on to autogeek.com. That's a little spot, and there's a lot more bigger spots to do, but we can do that.